Hi, it's Christine, and today I've got 4 products from Isntrie's Onion line. The first one is this new Pear Clear Pad, and this is the gel cream. This is the sun cream. This is a fluid, and this is a sun stick. We've got the pad. This has 60 pads, and I really like this because it's really soft. It's very soft and thick. See? Look at how thick it is, and it's got lots of juice. And just wipe it. It's got 2 sides. This is the like smoother side, and this is the rougher side if you want to do a bit of exfoliating, but really this is very soothing and soft. I couldn't even feel any exfoliation on my skin because this is super soft. Now this is the gel cream from the Onion line. And this is a very lightweight cream, as you can see. You don't need much. And it just absorbs onto the skin. It doesn't feel heavy or tacky. And it doesn't feel oily as well. So it gives you that hydration and that look of hydration, but doesn't leave you feeling sticky. This is the sun cream with SPF 50, PA++++, UVA, and UVB. This is a light formula as well. And as you can see, there's no white cast. Don't forget your ears and your eyelids and your lips. Doesn't sting on the eyes. And again, that glow for those girls or guys who like glowy skin. And this is their sun stick. So it comes with this like other cover to make sure that the sun stick itself stays hydrated and doesn't dry out, which I have noticed in other sun sticks. So great for touch-ups. Unlike that other sun stick that they had, unlike this one that feels really matte, this feels hydrating but doesn't leave a finish that's greasy. So see, look at my oily skin. It feels matte, not matte, maybe satiny. And Doesn't feel heavy on the skin. So this is perfect for retouching or even applying on your body, neck. Yep. Overall, what can I say about the onion line from Isntree? I love all of the products. They are lightweight, they absorb easily, they don't leave you feeling greasy, and they are very effective and also cost efficient. So give this line a try. I'm sure you'll love it. I do.